Wow, this girl can really slap a guy and react
Jy mos aan al die goeie gedink het.
and sulk. Is that all you need to do in a film when you're a lead character? The answer to this question is no, 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 and another no. Hi, I'm Isaac, and welcome to How to Write Your Screenplay, a step-by-step guide. Passive characters do nothing in a film to solve their problem or their dilemma. And because they do nothing to solve their problem or dilemma, such a character can't drive your plot or your story. In order to drive your plot and your story, a character needs to realize that he or she has a problem, and they need to find answers or solutions to that problem. And even if they don't want to, the problem must be to such an extent that it forces them to look for solutions to solve that problem. And to solve that problem, your character needs to look actively for solutions. If your character don't look actively for solutions, your character is doing nothing in your film. That character might sit around, run around, talk to people, but it does not mean that character is doing anything. And as such, your character cannot drive your plot. If your character don't do something about his or her problem, that character has no need to be in that film. Explaining situations in itself is a very difficult thing to do. But it's easily observable in a film.